Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I'll show you how you can find sound settings in this smartphone. So at the first you have to go for the settings, and when you are here you have to simply tap on the sound and vibration, and as you can see here we can change the sound mode, so we can go for the vibrate, mute mode. We can also enable or disable vibrate while ringing. We can change our ringtone, notification and system sound. The same for the volume. And also we got here a couple of the other things like do not disturb mode. We can check the separate app sound quality effects, like we can enable the Dolby Atmos. We can use the equalizer. So there's a couple of things that you can change here. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.